There are more updates to Subtitle Edit version 5.1.0 beta releases. The last video I did, I believe we did beta 4, but we've got a ton of new betas going on. So I'm at the GitHub page. If I look at the releases section, you'll take a note that we are at 5.1.0 beta 11. So that's more or less like 7 more betas since I did my last video. If we look at the changelog, you can see a ton of things. There are fixes, updates, more or less fixes. We've got additions of Open Router, Alibaba Quen 3 SR, Open Router reaches Whisper, and all that kind of stuff. Google Lens Sharp, it was a fix, scrambled word order, and then we've got OCR, fixed dictionary. It's more or less like fixes. Beta 8 was fixes, text-to-speech review, space no longer clicks OK. And then we've got beta 7, add subtitle grid, text fit setting, text-to-speech, pimp up window, context line, and all that. More or less fixes. I do believe there was kind of one addition. Yeah, this one in beta 5. Add AI review, tools, AI review, proofread subtitles with local large language model via Llama, CPP, or Olama with a before stroke after grid and editable prompt. So that was an addition that I probably believe is going to come in handy. Obviously some more additions. Llama CPP translation to batch convert, the interjection lists for German. Okay, so more or less a ton of fixes, because you can see it's a ton of fixes and maybe some new additions. And I've gone ahead right here from the releases page and downloaded the portable version right here on my computer. It's this one. I can just move it to the folder I want to extract it to. Extract here. Just double click on this. You can always delete the zip file. But obviously the first run for the zip file on Windows, you have to download FFmpeg, which is more or less standard. Now, I've already done a couple of tests, and maybe the one issue I've run into is just one. Let's open keep video, just get a subtitle. The only issue I've run into based on my testing is the banning feature. First of all, it takes a little long to kinda come through. I clicked it a few seconds ago, and then when it comes up, you'll not see the preview here. Right here, this shows like it's playing. You can pause. If you play, it does not play unless you go into full screen mode. That's when you see the preview. That's when you can play.
In this tutorial,
so that's the bug I've noted right there. As for the tools AI review, you can see what it looks like. You need the engine Llama, and you can use all these other things here. Quen 3, Game of 3, 4B, all these things that you need to download, obviously, right inside there. And you can edit the prompt right here, and you can see the prompt that is there. You're a subtitle proofreader, fix typos, spelling, grammar, punctuation in this particular language you edit, let's say in English. Do not rephrase, do not change meaning, tone or style, keep names, slang and intentional dialects as they are. Keep all formatting tags like this is italics and all this other positioning type of stuff, and line breaks exactly as they are. Only correct actual errors. So if you're okay with that, you click OK, and then you can do review, but obviously it's going to ask me for this. I've not yet downloaded. And then once you can see what you can click on apply fixes. So that's good to know. But this, as I've mentioned, is beta 11. Please do test, and when you find an issue, just come to the issues section on GitHub and create a new issue. As for me, I'm going to raise that one on the banning in subtitles. Now the second time I click on it, it seems it's opening faster. So I don't know if it's a fast time thing or what, but this is still not playing. It starts by default being in play mode, but does not play. You have to go into full screen mode to see the preview and also be able to play. So yeah, ton of changes going on in the backend. You can see a ton of stuff being issues created by other users to make Subtitle edit much better. So if you notice an issue that can be more or less fixed, it's good you kind of raise it right here so that we can make Subtitle edit much better. So that's Subtitle edit version 5.1.0 beta 11. Obviously more to come because I can see there's still more work going on. As of 44 minutes ago, you can see the commits right here. You can see for the past like 1 hour there's a ton of work that's been going on. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.